Welcome to Sandos Playacar, an all-inclusive resort in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Today, I'm giving you an honest review covering the food, the beach, the rooms, and whether or not it's worth your stay. Let's dive on in. Sandos Playacar is located on one of the best beaches in the Riviera Maya. It's a family-friendly resort with an adults-only section, so there's something for everyone. The resort has multiple pools, a few activities, and a beautiful white sand beach. Rooms are decent, but nothing too fancy. They might not be a showstopper, but they definitely have all the essentials. If the room quality is of importance to you, I've posted a link in the description below to a full walkthrough of our room. Now let's talk food. The buffet offers a good variety from fresh fruit to local Mexican dishes. There are several a la carte restaurants, including Italian, Asian, and a steakhouse. Now, as I don't personally drink myself, you can take this part with a grain of salt, but the drinks seem to be flowing all day. Just don't expect top shelf liquor unless you're in the VIP section. This resort does have all the basic activities, from beach volleyball to jet skis to evening entertainment like shows and live music. Plus, if you're into fitness, there is a fully equipped gym, pickleball court, and bike tours. Now, hands down, the beach is the star of the show. There's soft white sand beaches, crystal clear water, and plenty of loungers. It's one of the best beaches around Playa del Carmen with a more private and relaxed vibe compared to other resorts. So, is Sandos Playacar worth it? Well, for the price, it can be. The beach alone does make it a fantastic stay, and the all-inclusive experience is solid, but nothing to rave about. If you're looking for a simple, affordable getaway, this resort delivers. That being said, although I did enjoy my stay, I wouldn't necessarily stay here a second time. If this resort is one of the only options within your budget, I'd say go for it. You'll have fun and you won't regret it. However, if you have the means to splurge just a little, I'd recommend spending the couple extra $100 and opting for Rio Playacar or Ocean Riviera. I found the biggest areas in need of improvement being the staff service and rooms. Both items in my experience, Rio Playacar and Ocean Riviera, exceeded in. Have you stayed at Sandos Playacar or another resort that you'd recommend? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel experience. See you in the next adventure.